To enable you to get started with STEARsoft, you will be sent an email like this from your school administrator. The key thing you need is this web address, so let's put that in a web browser. Then you need an account activation code, that's also in the email. And you need to set yourself a new password. So let's set that and continue. So as a teacher or power teacher, you will always use the teacher login. So teacher login, and we set our username. Now the username is also given to you in this original email. It was demo3. And the password that I just set. And I tick this box, provided you're on a secure machine that's your own, you can remember those credentials. Then you'll be sent a second factor. There it comes. So that is 860310. Let's enter that. And always trust, because I'm on a secure machine. And this is your main screen. So you might like to bookmark this page once you're here, so you can come straight here. And here is your timetable. If you click on a class, you can mark the register just by clicking present and absent. There are all sorts of keyboard shortcuts, codes and things you can do on this, so have a look at the marking attendance tutorial to find out a little bit more. Thank you for listening.